Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation pa rin ng Unit 4 which is all about the exponential functions. This time, ang lesson is about the exponential inequalities as well as the solving of exponential inequalities. An exponential inequality is an inequality having exponential expression. Recall that 2 raised to x e raised to 2x, 1/2 raised to 4x, or 0.08 raised to x are all exponential expressions. They are not yet inequality kasi hindi pa sila inequated sa isa't isa. The exponential expression can be on the left side, right side, or both sides of the inequality. Here are some examples. Number 1, 3 raised to x plus 1 is greater than 243. Meron tayong exponential expression sa left at ang symbol natin ay inequality. Therefore, ito ay exponential inequality. Next, number 2. Again, meron tayong exponential expression sa kaliwa at ang symbol natin ay inequality. Therefore, this is also exponential inequality. Number 3, we have 4 raised to 4x is less than 8 raised to 2x plus 2. On both sides, meron tayong exponential expressions at ang symbol ay inequality, kaya ito ay exponential inequality. Last, we have number 4. 27 raised to x plus 2 is greater than or equal to square root of 3 raised to x minus 2. Meron tayong exponential expression on both sides and the symbol is inequality. Therefore, this is exponential inequality. After knowing the definition and form of exponential inequality, ang kasunod na niyan ay solving. So let's proceed on solving exponential inequalities. In order for us to solve exponential inequalities, we will still use the laws of exponents. Remember that the laws of exponents are the following, as we discuss it on exponential equations. Then, we will also use this property of exponential inequalities. Number 1, if the base is greater than 1, b raised to x is less than b raised to y if and only if x is less than y. Ang ibig sabihin nito is kapag meron tayong single exponential expression sa kaliwa at sa kanan, kapag inequate natin ang kanilang exponent, ay hindi magbabago yung inequality symbol. Ibig sabihin, retain the inequality symbol kapag ang base ay greater than 1. Number 2, we have if base is less than 1. b raised to x is greater than b raised to y if and only if x is less than y. Ang ibig sabihin naman nito is kapag meron tayong exponential expression on both sides at ang base ay less than 1, is we're going to reverse the inequality symbol. Kung halimbawa, greater than magiging less than. So ibig sabihin, we're going to reverse the inequality symbol. Let us use the laws of exponents and the properties of exponential inequalities to solve the following exponential inequalities. Let's start with example number 1. Solve the exponential inequality 3 raised to x plus 1 is greater than 243. Kung mapapansin natin, the inequality have different bases, 3 at 243. What we're going to do is convert 3 and 243 into same base. Ang common base nila ay 3. Ang 3 ay equivalent ng 3 raised to 1 at ang 243 naman ay equivalent to 3 raised to 5. So papalitan ngayon natin yung 243 ng 3 raised to 5. Pero yung 3 as is na lang siya na 3 raised to x plus 1 then greater than 3 raised to 5. Dahil single expression na sa left at single expression sa kanan at pares sila ng base, we're going to cancel the bases, then inequate the exponents. Tignan natin yung base we're going to retain the symbol because the base 3 is greater than 1. We're going to cancel the base 3 and inequate natin yung x plus 1 is greater than 5. Then, solve for the value of x. So, we're going to transfer or transpose positive 1, kaya siya magiging x is greater than 5 minus 1. The answer is x is greater than 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang solution set ng inequality natin is from positive 4 up to positive infinity. Pero hindi kasama ang 4 kasi lahat lang ng greater than 4. Let's have one more example. Example number 2. Solve the exponential inequality. 2 raised to 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 512. Again, mapapansin natin that the inequality have different bases, 2 at 512. What we're going to do is convert 2 and 512 into same base. Ang common base nila ay 2. Ang 2 ay equivalent ng 2 raised to 1. Ang 512 ay 2 raised to 9. So, papalitan natin yung 512 ng 2 raised to 9. We have 2 raised to 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 2 raised to 9. Dahil single expression na tayo on both sides at same sila ng bases, we're going to cancel the bases, inequate the exponents, pero tingnan natin yung bases. Retain the symbol because the base 2 is greater than 1. So we're going to cancel the base, inequate the exponents, pero retain ang symbol. We have 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to 9. Then solve for the value of x. I-transfer natin yung positive 1 sa right side kaya magiging 4x is less than or equal to 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Divide both sides by 4. Therefore, the answer is x is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, ang ibig sabihin niyan is ang solution set natin is from negative infinity up to positive 2, included yung 2. Let's have one more example. Example number 3. Solve the exponential inequality. The quantity of 1 over 10 raised to x plus 5 is greater than or equal to the quantity of 1 over 100 raised to 3x. Again, the inequality have different bases, 1 over 10 at 1 over 100. What we're going to do is convert 1 over 10 and 1 over 100 into same base. Ang common base nila is 1 over 10. Ang 1 over 10 ay equivalent ng 1 over 10 raised to 1. Ang 1 over 100 naman ay equivalent ng 1 over 10 squared. So, ito lang yung papalitan natin ng 1 over 10 squared. Ang 1 over 10 ay retain. So, we have the quantity of 1 over 10 raised to x plus 5 is greater than or equal to the quantity of 1 over 10 squared then raised pa sa 3x. Dahil meron tayong base na may exponent tapos naka-raise pa siya sa another exponent, we will apply the law that a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m times n. So, ibig sabihin, itong exponent na 2, i-multiply natin sa 3x. Kaya ang next line of solution is the quantity of 1 over 10 raised to x plus 5 is greater than or equal to the quantity of 1 over 10 raised to 2 times 3x. Dahil single expression na sa left and right side of the inequality at parehas na sila ng bases, dito na natin i-apply yung cancellation of bases and the property. We're going to cancel the bases, inequate the exponents, pero tignan yung base. We're going to reverse the inequality symbol because the base 1 over 10 is less than 1. Cancel 1 over 10, inequate natin yung exponent, pero yung symbol ay mare-reverse. So we have x plus 5 is less than or equal to 2 times 3x. Then proceed on solving for the value of x. Ito muna ay i-multiply natin, magiging 6x Then, i-transfer natin yung x sa right side. So, we have 5 is less than or equal to 6x minus x. 6x minus x is 5x. Para makuha ang value ng x, divide both sides by 5. Therefore, the answer for x is greater than or equal to 1. Ang ibig sabihin niyan is, ang ating solution set is from positive 1 up to positive infinity. Included ang positive 1.